The bull run is back. Crypto is pumping, but why? Bitcoin hit 44K and it's up 15% on the 7-day chart. Google gears up for battle against ChatGPT with a major release coming up. Stay tuned for the juicy details. And this state just dumped their Disney investments.
Dump!
General interest in cryptocurrency is rising. Mainstream media is having conversations about Bitcoin, including presidential candidates, and the largest asset managers on the planet are openly planning full-on exposure to holding spot Bitcoin as they file for ETFs. Is Bitcoin more scarce than gold? Bitcoin, the world's first and most popular cryptocurrency, has been making waves in the traditional finance world. CNBC made a bold statement that Bitcoin is poised to become the first asset in history to be more scarce than gold. This claim is based on the upcoming Bitcoin halving event, which will significantly reduce the amount of Bitcoin that is mined each day. When boomers are discussing the halving on national television, it might be worth noting.
What it does do is it makes Bitcoin more scarce than gold. So for the first time in history, you have an asset that is more scarce than gold.
Imagine receiving half of your paycheck every 2 weeks. That's essentially what happens to Bitcoin miners during a halving event. Every 4 years, the reward for mining new Bitcoin is cut in half, reducing the amount of Bitcoin entering circulation. Simple economics. When supply goes down, value goes up. The next Bitcoin halving is estimated to occur in April of 2024, and historically, the 12 to 16 months after the halving is the best time for Bitcoin.
So what we've seen historically is that the 12 to 16 months after a halving is the best performance of Bitcoin.
Would you rather have Bitcoin or gold? Let me know down below. JP Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon says, if I was the government, I would shut down crypto at a Senate hearing event alongside 7 other big bank CEOs.
I've always been deeply opposed to crypto, Bitcoin, etc. If I was the government, I'd close it down.
Elizabeth Warren was super excited to agree with Dimon, and the two found a rare common ground over their alleged hatred for crypto. Meanwhile, Jamie's company, JP Morgan, is one of the largest customers for a Bitcoin fund in Europe. Weird, isn't it? Dimon said this week that crypto's only use case is for criminals, drug traffickers, money launderers, and tax avoidance. But hold on. I believe I recall JP Morgan allowing Jeffrey Epstein to use his bank for 15 years, until 2013. But they're not ready for that conversation. Why do you think Jamie Dimon might say these things? Because crypto's his competition? Does he have a massive bag and he's trying to keep the price low? Both? Comment below and let me know your thoughts. What is Gemini? Gemini is a new large language model, or LLM, developed by Google AI, launching on December 13th of 2023. Gemini is Google's response to ChatGPT by OpenAI, and it aims to compete and potentially surpass its capabilities. LLMs like Gemini and ChatGPT are revolutionizing various fields, including text generation, translation, and coding. I'm excited to see how Gemini compares to Bard and ChatGPT and what features it'll have to offer. Meta and IBM have joined forces with the AI Alliance. The AI Alliance is a collaborative initiative launched by Meta and IBM in December of 2023. It aims to foster an open and inclusive environment for advancing the development and responsible application of artificial intelligence. Cathie Wood sold Coinbase to buy Robinhood. Cathie Wood's ARK Invest has made some strategic changes to its portfolio, selling shares in Coinbase and Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, while buying shares in Robinhood. This move might be suggesting a shift in ARK Invest's focus from directly investing in Bitcoin to focusing on companies that offer exposure to cryptocurrency through other means, like Robinhood's crypto trading platform. Do you think this is a good copy trade? Would you ever buy Robinhood stock? South Carolina is removing Disney from its state investment portfolio due to concerns about the company's political agenda. South Carolina Treasurer Curtis Loftus explained that Disney has abandoned its responsibilities to its investors and customers by engaging in boycotts against other companies, including Elon Musk's X, based on political beliefs. The state currently has $105 million in Disney debt instruments, which will mature as scheduled, but they will not be replaced. Loftus argues that multi-billion-dollar corporations should not be involved in silencing legitimate debate, and he believes that Disney's actions are aimed at silencing those with less power and less money. Now it's time for Hannah's Picks of the Week. Always remember, do your own research, and this is not financial advice. What is Play Shrapnel? Shrapnel is a blockchain-powered first-person shooter game currently in development by Shrapnel Studio. It's designed to be a unique and immersive experience. Shrapnel utilizes blockchain technology in several ways, including NFT-based assets, play-to-earn mechanics, and decentralized governance. The token ticker is SHRAP, S-H-R-A-P, and this is one that I will be keeping my eyes on. What is Render? Render token with the ticker RNDR is the native cryptocurrency powering the Render network, a decentralized marketplace for 3D rendering services. It allows everyone to contribute their unused GPU processing power to help projects render animations, motion graphics, and other visual effects. As some people call it, the Web3 NVIDIA, Render Token has the potential to revolutionize the 3D rendering industry by making it more accessible, more affordable, and more efficient. Not financial advice, but I'm bullish. Let me know if you want more information on these projects or comment below another project that you want me to cover. Before we go, I have a question for you guys. If you had to put $1,000 into something right now and leave it for 1 year, would you rather choose Render, Ethereum, HBAR, or Arbitrum? Let me know down below. Thanks for tuning in to another week of crypto news. I'll see you next time. Toodles! Jeffrey Epstein didn't kill himself. Developed by Google AI, launching on December? The AI Alliance is a collaborative initiative. And this state just dumped their Disney investments. Dump truck.
Editor, definitely keep this in. Dump.
I'm the editor.
I'm.
South Carolina Treasurer Curtis Loftus explained that Disney has abandoned its responsibility to its investor.